Welcome to Chemistrically. Today we will learn about the unit conversion techniques for the units of volume. So far we have covered the unit conversion techniques for length, area and mass, and in this video we will cover volume, and in the later videos we will follow this sequence respectively. As we all know that there are many units of volumes, but only few of them are used most in our daily life and academics, which includes barrel, gallon. There are two types of gallon, but US gallon is frequently used. Therefore, we will consider the US gallon, liter, meter cube, dm cube, ml. And as we all know that the volume is a three-dimensional quantity, which is made up by three different length units. So therefore this meter cube can be derived into various units as well, which includes the inch cube or the foot cube or kilometer cube, centimeter cube, etc. So any length unit three times can be a unit of volume. And apart from that, these are some of the conversions which should be kept in our mind before solving any unit conversion for the volume. The above conversions are kept in our mind and considered when we are dealing with large bodies or the large mass, and the bottom one are considered when we are dealing with the small quantities. Now in this example we have to convert the million inch cube into the barrel. So just to make a simple road map, we know that we have to convert this inch cube first to the meter cube. So for that purpose we know that for inch cube we will directly go to the foot cube, and then from foot we will go to the meter cube. Meter cube will take us to the liter, and then we know that liter to gallon and gallon to barrel. So this will be a long example which will cover approximately all of the aspects which are required to learn unit conversion of the volume. So start it. So we have written this million inch cube. Now to convert it into the foot cube, we know that one foot has 12 inches. So just to convert it into the volumetric units, we will just put cube on all of the four things, so it will be converted into a unit volume. So we have done the same thing here. Now this inch cube will be cancelled by the inch cube, as we all know that we have to write the same units in the cross section. Now the foot is converted into the meter cube in the similar manner, as we all know that 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet, and then we just put cube on all of the four things just to make or to convert the length units into the volumetric units. Now our unit is converted into the meter cube. So now to convert from meter cube to liter, we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Now liter converted into gallon by this conversion, and at last gallon converted into the barrel. So our answer will be 0.103 barrel. So in this way we converted inch cube into the barrel by covering all of these units. In this example we have to convert 4 gallons into the milliliter. So to convert 4 gallon, first we will go from gallon to the liter, and then from liter to the milliliter. Gallon cancelled by the gallon, as we all know that 1 gallon is equal to 3.786 liters, and then simply liter into the milliliters. The answer will be 15144 ml. In this example we have to convert 8 liters into the foot cube, which will be quite easy because we just have to go from liter to the meter cube and then from meter cube to the foot cube. So just proceed with it. Now here we converted simply liters into the meter cube and then meter cube into the foot cube. We got our answer, which is 282.3 foot cube. Now people will be thinking that either 1 cube meter cube is equal to 1000 liter or 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, because in the previous or for example I have written 1 cube meter cube. So for this thing, or to clear this confusion, just consider a box whose all three lengths are of 1 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter. It is a box. So to take out its volume, what we will do, we will multiply its length into breadth into the height. And what are these values? 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter. And the product will be 1 cube meter cube, or 1 meter cube. So, and this is equal to 1000 liter. So any box who has a breadth of 1 meter, length of 1 meter, and height of 1 meter will have the volume is equal to 1000 liter. Means in this box we can fill 1000 liters. So they are basically the same thing. Therefore I can write any of these two things. Now there are 3 practice questions. Try to solve them, and if you face any difficulty, just let us know in the comment section or through the email. Now we are done with the volume unit as well, and in the next video we will cover the unit of time. Thank you so much for watching. For any query or suggestion, you can use the comment section or email or our Facebook. Thank you.